It's so hot everywhere, and the most irritating thing is the sweaty hair that we get because of this hot climate. So, yes, friends, welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for liking and subscribing to my channel. So, today I'm going to talk about how to have a healthy hair even while facing this heat that we get and the sweat that is formed in the hair. So, usually when we go out, we do cover our hair with caps or scarves or umbrella. Otherwise, when people are working out in the gyms or any other kind of workouts or some sports they are playing, and also the housewives when they are busy cooking in the kitchens, the main problem due to this summer is the sweat that we get, and this creates lot of problems for the hair. So yes, people, don't skip the podcast, do listen till the end, because I'm going to tell you some amazing tips which will make your hair very good and get rid of all these problems related to sweat, and also will increase the growth of your hair. So yes, as I was telling, this sweat that forms in our hair creates problems like itching, dandruff, and also maybe some kind of fungal infections, which eventually leads into hair fall, which we will never ever want. So yes, today I'm going to tell some very simple, and again, as I always say, the easy things that we get in our own kitchen. So these things you just have to mix with your shampoo and apply it whenever you are going for your hair wash. So yes, I'll just quickly tell the things. So first, what we need is 2 tablespoons of rice, which is like clean and washed. Yeah, again, not the boiled one, it is the raw rice. So this raw rice, you have to wash it properly because they may have some chemicals or some kind of pesticides or anything sprayed. So yeah, wash it nicely and soak in water, little amount of water, at least 30 minutes. And then we need an aloe vera gel. So aloe vera gel, it's good that we get fresh leaf. So I guess every time I'm mentioning aloe vera gel for most of my remedies, so it's better you plant one in your house, or at least have your neighbors planting it. So everywhere we get aloe vera leaves, so take a small aloe vera leaf. And then curd, 1 tablespoon of curd. And then for vitamin C, we either need lemon or orange peel. So half a lemon is enough. So lemon or orange peel, as I said. And then we also need rose water. Yes, 2 tablespoons of rose water. So first, what we are going to do is we are quickly going to grind the rice that we have soaked for 30 minutes along with the water which we have used for soaking. So this rice also, like we have heard rice water for hair. Yes, they say the Korean treatment or whatever now they are telling these days. So for rice water for hair, rice water for face. So this has some very good antioxidants which give strength to our hair and prevents hair fall. And again, it improves the hair cuticles and gives shine to the hair and also a very healthy scalp. So yes, we'll quickly grind this, and when we get that paste, we have to sieve it. Yes, because how much ever we grind it, we will not get a very liquidy thing. We will have some kind of coarse material in it, so we have to remove it. So we just need the juice. So sieve it nicely, either with the siever or with some clean cloth. Next, you can add again in the grinder the half cut lemon along with the peel, and also a small cut pieces of aloe vera leaves, again aloe vera leaf again with the peel. And to grind it nicely into a smooth paste, we can add the rose water that we have taken. So mix all these 3 and grind it nicely. And again, to get rid of the small particles, we have to sieve it nicely, get the juice, only the juice we need. And this juice you can mix it with the already grinded rice juice that we have. Now mix the curd that we have and mix it nicely. And after mixing all these ingredients, now what you have to do is you have to add your shampoo, regular shampoo which you use for cleaning your hair for your hair wash. How much ever amount you're going to use it, add that shampoo into this mixture. Yes, so in this mixture we are having the goodness of aloe vera, which is very good for dandruff and any other fungal infections on our scalp. And again, lemon has vitamin C, which will give you very nice shine, and it acts as a natural serum for hair. So yes, once you mix it properly in your shampoo, you can use this for cleaning your hair. And you might think that so much of liquid is there and we just need a little bit of shampoo, but no, this will also give you that foam. You can just mix it nicely so that it gives that foam. And one important tip is, whenever you go for a hair wash, at least 1 hour before your hair wash, you have to have a very nice oil massage. Whichever oil, maybe the coconut oil or the olive oil, whichever you prefer for your hair, give a very nice oil massage, generous oil massage for at least 1 hour. You have to leave your hair that way and then wash your hair with this prepared shampoo. So this is going to be amazing for your hair, and as I have mentioned, all the goodness of the ingredients, so these will help you to clean your hair properly from whatever the damages the sweat has created in your hair, and also it will give strength to the hair, and the hair fall will also reduce. So again, all the ingredients will act as natural serum, natural conditioners, so you don't have to apply anything after your hair wash. So do this for your hair in this summer season and find the amazing results that you get. And do like and share my videos to all your friends, because this is very important for everybody who wants to have beautiful hair. And yeah, do subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more important and amazing podcasts. Bye.